In this video, I made Fall Guys in Unreal Engine 4 complete with a server queue system, custom models, map, and oh my god, is that guy already hacking? So I decided to make Fall Guys, and if you don't know what Fall Guys is, it's basically a multiplayer battle royale obstacle course. You have 60 players who have to race to the finish line to qualify for the next challenge, and the last one standing wins. So I created my project in Unreal Engine and got straight to work. I started out by blocking out one of the maps, Dizzy Heights. It's named Dizzy Heights because there's a lot of spinning things. The spinning things were actually really easy to make. And also I made this ball spawner thing that spawns a ball actor. Anyways, so I was able to make a playable level in less than an hour. And next up, I worked on a server queue system utilizing JSON requests to a MySQL database, some pretty technical stuff. Basically, there's a database of servers that players can join, and the server queue system will find a server that currently doesn't have a game instance running. I can also host a bunch of servers on AWS and add them to the database to support the massive influx of people trying to play my new game. Next up, I started work on the actual game functionality or rules, which is all done in the game mode class. Every time another player joins the game, it's going to calculate how many people can qualify for the next round. It's also going to spawn a pawn that the player can possess. I also added a finish line collision box that ends the game if the qualified player's variable is met, and I made it so that once the player crosses the finish line, they possess a spectator pawn, so they can basically watch everyone else try to finish the game. Then it switches the camera to the scoreboard with their character on the scoreboard when the game is over. With that all out of the way, I decided to make some nice UI. With my scuffed Photoshop skills, I managed to create a race to the finish line text and qualified players count in the top right corner of the screen. This will be updated every time the player crosses the finish line. I also cranked out the qualified, eliminated, and round over UI with this nice subtle Unreal Engine polka dot pattern. Please send me a t-shirt, Epic. Animating the UI was actually easier than I thought, and I used a progress bar, you know, the one they usually use for a health bar, to animate the widget. After setting up all the blueprint for the UI to be called, I also added this nice little timer that lets you know when the round begins. And now when I cross the finish line, it says qualified. Next up, I made this little bouncy actor that is a simple triangle with collision boxes that bounces the player back when they hit it. However, if you jump on the top of it, it actually boosts you forward. At this point, I was pretty fed up with my grayscale BSP blockout, so I decided to take up my skills in Blender by modeling out some assets. I modeled this bouncy actor I just made and sculpted some of the details to bake it down to a lower poly version of that mesh. It looks so bouncy. Then I worked on the side assets that would serve as a guardrail on the sides of the map. I created a simple spline actor, and splines actually just make your life so much easier. After that, I modeled the map in geometry such as the walkways, pathways, arches, and pillars. I replaced all the BSP with it, and it really started to come together. Also, I made this cool rainbow. After finishing 99.9% of the assets, everything was looking good, until I tried to sculpt this cube. I wasted an hour on this cube. Now with virtually all of my block out replaced with assets, things started to look legit. Next I had to work on the lighting. I ended up just dropping the ultra dynamic sky, and man, that looks so good. With everything else out of the way, all that was left to do was to create the fall dude. Modeling the character was actually easier than I anticipated. It's literally just a cylinder with a round top and bottom. Unwrapping it was also a breeze, and this also means I can add custom skins in the future. I am no professional when it comes to rigging and animating, so I just went straight to my good old friend Mixamo, which surprisingly, AutoRig did a nice job. I rigged it with the skeleton with no fingers because, oh, it basically has no fingers. These are some cool animations. Let's see here. Oh, I'm gonna have to blur these ones out. So I downloaded this walking animation and idle animation. That's really all I need to set up a simple 2D blend space and animation blueprint. Oh, and I also added this jump animation. I set up a random color generator for the players, that way they all spawn in with different colors. And then I also made a few tweaks here and there on the map to make it look a little bit better. And now all that is left to do is to package my game, throw it up in the cloud, and find some players to play Fall Dudes with me. Saturday morning, I started up a live stream and got everyone to download the game and join the server. Okay, so you're gonna see race to finish, qualified 0 and 1. Bunch of people are joining right now. I can see the server. Okay, so how many people we got? We got 11 people. Alright. Alright, boys, we're at 3. Holy crap, that's so many people. Alright, let's go, boys, let's go, let's go. What? Dude, that guy's hacking. Alright, boys, don't fall off the right side, no! No, the right side does not collision box. Don't fall off the right side, guys. Don't go off the right side. I don't have a collision box, guys. Oh, I'm so bad. Okay, so there's people. It's okay if you're out. If you fall out the right side, next round you can just spectate. We'll restart it too in a sec. But okay, so we're making a break for it. Making our way up here. Some of the balls you can literally just head on but some of it like should hit you and simulate. Okay, so we're making our way. Don't fall off the right side on this either. I still haven't set the collision. I set the collision up for the left side and everything. But yeah. Okay, so we have one person qualified. Also, don't fall down this area. Watch a jump. Watch a jump. Yeah, watch a jump. Jump, boys. Jump. Make it. Don't get hit by the ball. Oh no, dude. All right, make it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh no, almost there. Come on, guys. We're making it. Oh no, that hit him. Alright, 5 out of 11. Let's see, how many people? Did we lose a lot? I think we lost a lot of people. Speed hacker? He probably like used some sort of command or something. Green dude. Alright, so we have 2 more slots. I think we already like lost a couple people because of yeah, we lost a lot of good men because of my lack of programming skill. Already hackers. Dude, I swear. Round over. I'm pretty sure that's what they're doing. Alright, dude, people already running. Dude, where's the speed hacker? Oh my god, people are fast. Alright, don't fall off the right side, guys. Don't fall off the right side. There's only 7 slots and we have about like 11 people here. Okay, so there should be some people spectating that can just fly around the map. This guy's speed hacking. Yeah, dude, that guy's speed hacking. Already hackers, dude. How did these guys... They just set their walk speed to like 1,000. So if I run up here... Dude, the speed hack... Dude, look at his body ragdolling, dude. Oh god, dude. Yeah, you can't... Oh, I just got racked by a ball. Okay, boom, qualified. Don't know if there's anyone else coming. Oh, there's one person right there. 13? How did people join? How did more people join? How? Oh my god, dude. How is that possible that more people can join? Alright, everyone get back to the main menu. I think I paused the server for some reason. Black screen. Okay. Oh, I think we did it. 12 people. Everyone in? Alright, we're in here with 12 people. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, boys. Oh, don't fall off the right side, okay? Whatever you do, do not fall off the right side, boys. Do not. There's probably more than 12 people here, I think. Alright, let's make a break for it, boys. Make a break for it. Let's go. Oh no. Alright, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Avoid the balls. Sometimes you can hit them head on. But sometimes they make you ragdoll. Still loading. Did you make this level? Yeah, I modeled everything in here. Okay, so you can see there's still a bunch of people making their way around the circle area. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish it real quick so I can spectate. Okay, don't fall off the right side on this either. Like, use the left side. Oh yeah, and this part, oh, you can see I just got hit by a ball. So there's the finish line up there. Looks like that guy's first place. Don't fall down here because there's no teleport box. I'm not in the game. Hey, did the guy with the old version, did that work? Okay, qualified. So you can see other people are joining. You see that qualify number update? Oh, that one guy. Make it, make it. What's up with this guy, dude? Okay, 7 out of 12. We have a few more slots left. Okay, got a few more guys making up. There's one guy right up there, dude. Nice. Oh, you're so close, dude. Okay, 10 out of 12. There's 12 more slots, dude. You guys can make it. Oh no. The old version didn't work. Yeah. Alright. Our leaderboard semi-works. We're just chilling, dude. I gotta add emotes too so we can like just run around. No, boys, we're just chilling. Oh no. Oh, we're just chilling, boys. We're just chilling right here. We got up to 17 players at one point, and even though there are still a lot of bugs to iron out, we had a blast. Next time I'll have to add more maps, and I'm also thinking about adding proximity voice chat to make things a bit more interesting. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button because I have some pretty cool game ideas planned and you do not want to miss out. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.